Londoni loomaaias lähevad kaalule kõik, kõige pisematest tigudest kuni kaamelite ja kaelkirjakuteni. Mõnel tuleb kaalunumbriks umbes gramm, mõnel aga ligi 3/4 tonni.
So I think lightest of the day is probably going to be one of our critically endangered, or in some cases extinct in the wild animals, like our partula snails, coming in probably at around just a gram. Go all the way to the other end of the spectrum. It's definitely going to be either a Bactrian camel at about 650 kilos or a giraffe probably coming in. I'm going to say Wilf, the giraffe, is probably going to come in at close to 700 kilos today.
Loomapidajad ei taha loomi kaalule sundida. Kaalud paigutatakse nii, et loomad saaksid ise neile astuda, sest isegi loomariigis on ilmselt kõige parem viis end kaaluda siis, kui endal selleks tuju on.
Tricks of the trade, penguins, lots of fish involved, and if you're an enormous camel, it comes down to the tech, and that's big, sturdy weigh bars underneath some boards. Today I think the keepers are offering some willow as a bit of a treat to get the camels to move forward onto the scales, but all in all the keepers are really good at it. Like I say, they don't just do it today, they do it all the time, so they're dab hands at getting to weigh the animals and making sure we get all of those data points.
Ja kaalumine pole sugugi lihtsalt loomaaia versioon pühapäevasest kehakaalu kontrollist. Numbrid aitavad loomapidajatel ja loomaarstidel jälgida loomade tervist, arengut ja isegi võimalikku tiinust.
This is absolutely science. So today, you know what, if you come to the zoo today, it's great fun. You get to see the animals being weighed. But behind that is the science, is the research, and it is the conservation. So for example, us understanding the weights of penguins here helps us manage our projects in the field to understand what should be the weight of a wild penguin. We can look at that, compare that to zoo-based penguins. It helps us understand the threats, if weights are going up and down, what's the reason for that. So all of these kinds of things feed into whether it's conservation or science. It's all got a much bigger meaning.
Nii et kui mõni loom täna Londonis kaalule astudes pisut tõsine välja näeb, on selleks põhjust. Aga vähemalt pole ta seal üksi. Kogu loomaaed on samas paadis. Või õigemini, samal kaalul.